Before this video begins, the usernames will be listed in the description because this video was a request by multiple users. They'll be listed in the description, and one of them that I requested in Nigel News' channel, and one in Nate is Awesome's channel. Also, this video will contain very loud parts, so keep that in mind. Anyways, enjoy the video. Chicken McNugget Hicks, you're grounded. Yes. Blah! Yuck! I hate all the products being served at the student vending machine. Like this one. All the products tasted gross. I wish I could get a real soda from the vending machine, just like what teachers use. Wait a minute. I have an idea. I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from the vending machine. Ha 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 ha. Awesome! I found the student vending machine in the teacher's lounge. Yeah! And yeah, it serves real soda. Let's buy something from it. Yay! I brought real soda! Yeah! Oh no, I am now busted. Hello, chick. So, the security cameras caught you that you're using the staff vending machine right there. Is this true? Come on! Explain yourself! Okay, fine. I did use the staff vending machine. Oh! Chick Hicks! How freaking dare you! That's it! You are now suspended for 2 months! Get out of my school right this instant, or I'm calling the police! No, 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 no! Chick, why are you home early? Come on! Explain yourself right now! Okay, fine. Well, you see, McQueen, I used the staff vending machine because the soda from the student vending machine had a really gross tasting. Please don't punish me for this. I beg you. Oh! Oh my sweet mother of God! Chicken McNugget Hicks! Have you lost your freaking mind? I can't believe you used the staff vending machine. You know those are the machines that are restricted to your school teachers and administration only, and you just blamed them. But McQueen, the soda from the vending machine of the students tasted gross. Well, I don't care. You are grounded for 69 days. During that time, you will not go to Jackson Storm's house or play Fortnite. Go to your room right freaking now, or today is punishment day. Fine. Screw you, McQueen. And don't you run your mouth like that either as well!